Good morning. Hi everyone, I'm Vicki with Avante-Avenue. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. Mark and I are heading out to a church rummage sale and some individual sales. It is Saturday. We'll see what we can get into. So let's get started. It's almost 9 o'clock and it started at what, Mark? 8 o'clock or 8:30? 8. Yeah, we've been here before and yeah, sometimes I find some things here. You just never know. We're about an hour after opening, but you know, we find things that other people miss. This is 2 for this brass planter. I think I'll get that. That's kind of cool. Might fit in a 12 by 12 by 12. It's 2, but I don't know. I guess I don't like the way it's welded. Wow, there's already tables taken down, or less tables this year. Wow. I'm beginning to wonder if this is leftovers from their last sale, their spring sale. This is really, really sparse. It's never this sparse. Never. Kind of disappointing. But we have other sales to go to today. I think this is their leftovers, Mark, from their last sale. I've never seen their sale this small. That's kind of cute. It's really cute. Wouldn't be easy to photograph, but I definitely think that would sell. Big stocking. That's a maybe. What are these real bells? No, they're plastic. Kind of neat though.
There's a lot of other sales.
Yeah, they said that it was packed at 8 o'clock.
This is what?
This is not leftovers from other sales. This is all. Can you look at that little brass candle there?
I don't think it's brass.
Is it metal?
No, it's,
Resin.
yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yep, I guess we're gonna head to other sales today. What are these? This is a different pattern. Never seen this pattern before. There's only 3 of them. This little shell here, so simple. Do you see this? That's Fitz and Floyd. For that reason I'm picking it up. And it's color coded, it's green. And green is 25 cents. Looking at a couple of lamps here. This is kind of cute. It's like little stacked trunks. And then this one here is just brass, but it's got a turn switch and it's in pretty good shape. $1 each. I always like to look at the jewelry. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, what is this? You want to check? Oh, that's got some corrosion on it, but you want to check it out? Check it out, please.
$10.
10. Maybe it can clean up, but 10 is a lot. There's a little pin clip.
And it's not just surface, it's damaged
Eaten
the surface.
into it. That's too bad. But otherwise, the other, well, that's got some here too.
Yeah.
It might have to pass on that. Otherwise, it's kind of cool. I know I kept saying that they didn't have a lot of stuff, but we have found at every sale this year, people are getting out earlier and earlier to get the good stuff. With that said, Mark and I just got back from a day trip yesterday, so we're a little bit tired. And on top of that, my other excuse is, it's not really a bad excuse, we have quite a bit of inventory already, so we weren't as anxious as others. All right, somebody's car alarm is going off. Let's head to the next sale. We are in Virginia and we are heading to an estate sale. The funny thing is, Virginia's only what, 10-15 minutes from our house, so not too far. sales in a big metal building. Got some clothes and small decor. These are kind of cute. Probably something from Hobby Lobby, but it's cute. You know, I say that word all the time, cute. I know I do. Well, that turned the right way. And this turned the right way. I like those.
Turn right at the traffic light.
There's a bakery. This is a quaint little town. Barely looks like a street. It looks like a driveway, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it is a street, and you can see all the cars. This is an estate sale, if I didn't say so. Look at this, Country Kitchen Cookbook. Old cookbooks. No photos back then. Dress calendar, 1975. Oh, look how cute these things are. Mother Goose. Everything's pretty dirty there, I have to tell you. But let's go inside. Blast from the past, 1970s. Avocado green. And Christmas. Is that, you know, if things are half price today on Saturday or not? They are?
It's half price.
Oh, good. Okay. A lot of times it is, so I appreciate that. It's half price Saturday, hon. Look at the cabinets. It's like it's 1970s, you know, avocado green. That's cool. Look at that teapot. Toaster. This is Jeanette. Apple pie dish. My basket one. Might be the day of smells. Oh, that's made with a nut. There's North Carolina on it. Those are cute. $1 each. Ooh, look at this. Oh, it's chipped. Well, that's a hull. H-U-L-O. Look at the piggy. Oh, see, these are the broken things. $1 each. Try not to take home broken things.
It's really tall. Must
It
be
is.
the utensil holder.
Yeah, it is tall. It is tall. It's nice though. I'm gonna get it. These are metal, cast metal. Some mount glass with the great print. This looks just like that. We have something like this that we bought.
There's a
A little.
mark on the bottom.
Yeah, I can't read it, but it's too small to worry about, so. These are little violets. If I say cute one more time today, I owe you $1 for every time I say the word cute. That's a cute little shelf there. I said it again. Look at that. I said cute. I owe you another $1. This is a Darling's. Okay, I'll use the word darling. Darling spice rack. I'm gonna do that for $1. I think it's painted, but that's cast metal. There's a nice wood bowl. Don't need the fruit. Is that no?
I think it's
I
resin.
think it's like a plastic, like a Sirocco. I wonder if it's home interior.
Vegas after.
Never seen anything like it. Carve set, $45 for all. It's got several layers. That's a conversation piece. Mark this on the set, which is similar to what we have. He's gonna check it all out. Look here. With 30 on it, you would get it for 15. Keep looking. Got some old trunks. Used to have one like this. Mine was a humpback trunk. Big Ben. It's ticking. Has the key. I don't see any brand on this one. Robert Shaw controls. Another old Westcox. Has the key. It's ticking. Oop, this one's missing its glass cover, so. And this one is a Westcox. Kind of in rough shape, but it has the key. And this one is really rough, really rough. I think I'll do this one. This is like a walk back in time, isn't it? I mean, look at that furniture. Old dresser. The wallpaper. Look at that piece. The bed, the headboard. It's pretty cool. What we have in here. And a box of baby clothes. I know a lot of you probably are into the baby clothes, but I'm not sure I feel like cleaning them. You know, you don't see 18-inch rollers very often. I'm getting that. In fact, I like that one too. Look at that lamp. Bathroom and laundry room. That's crooked otherwise. Kind of like that. We're out in the sun porch, I guess you'd call it, sun porch. A lot of stuff is getting moved out here now. Oh, that's cracked. As is. At least it says as is on it. $15 for all. I think it's, oh, it's a kit. I'm not gonna mess with that. All those pieces and parts. Like I said, we're in the sunroom. Check out this. Oh, doesn't have the flour or sugar.
Not exactly.
Uh-oh.
It's sold.
These are cute little Dutch planters. Maybe $1 each. These are adorable, honestly. Oh, look at that big crack. I don't know if you can see the big crack. Not a heavy crazy. Going to the basement, we got some pipe. Be very careful. Whoa. Could hit your head, Mark. If I can help hit my head, you can hit your head. Oh, this is a big basement. This is pretty big. Look at this. They got some light for us. If there's any moonshine down here. We found moonshine at the last estate sale we went to. At least I'm pretty certain I did. Didn't buy it. Plastic butterflies. $3 for all. You know, people like their butterflies. There's a hummingbird in here too. A couple of hummingbirds. I just don't know if they're scuffed up. Not going through them. That's just plastic. There, got the light to come on. And we got old cream bottles, Jiffy peanut butter. Here's that JFG peanut butter. That must have been a local store. There's a couple of nice nutcrackers in here. But I don't know that they're...
I don't think they were.
What are these sharks? Pacers trees. Where'd Mark go? He's in this little family room. Singer. Those letters. I just want to see the year 1980s, so they're not as old as what I thought. Lots of irons. Well, you know what I want. I want sterling silver thimbles. Got a few things at this estate sale, so keep watching and I'll show you. I'm so glad we came to this estate sale in Gate City. We actually found some good things. And yeah, pretty happy with what we got. If you like these kind of videos, we appreciate a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and comment. We love to read your comments. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and Mark and I will see you soon.